Your data might be a massive list of numbers, but your story is in the detail. Today, I'm going to show you how you can cut through the noise, highlighting your top 3 products or your 10 most valuable customers. That is the power of the top N feature in Power BI. Hi, my name is Anne from Adair-Major Consulting. Every week I share a video that helps you improve your data or reporting within your business. Today we're going to look at using a code-free way to implement the top N feature in Power BI. This allows you to quickly and easily identify top or bottom performers, highlighting that data very clearly in your reports. I actually use this technique all the time. For instance, in the project budget report I've used top N to quickly highlight the biggest budget variances. This helps the project manager see exactly where they need to focus their attention without having to scroll through hundreds of rows. If you manage budgets and you're looking to save some serious time with your own reporting, why not check out the link in the description below? However, if you're not looking to use a pre-made template, let me walk you through the steps to create this table with this top N feature. For our walkthrough today, I'm going to use some really simple sales data. The first thing we'll do is create a really basic table. I'll just add product and profit. You'll see I've got a really small little data set here with just 6 products, but imagine this with hundreds or even thousands of products, and this is where top N can really shine. So now that we know what it looks like but no filters applied, let's look at creating the top N table. To do this, I'm just going to copy and paste the exact same table right next to the original one. Now we can compare them side by side. I'll also give them a title to give a context about what this table is about. With our new table, step 1 is opening the filter pane. Select the new table that we've just created. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a filters pane. This is where we'll apply our filter. Step 2 is adding the right filter. This is a really common point of confusion I see. So make sure you think about what we're trying to filter. Yes, we're looking at the profit number, but we want to filter our list of products. So in the filter pane, we're choosing products. Step 3 is changing the filter type. By default, the filter type is set to basic filtering, and we need to change that. Click on the drop-down menu and select top N. Step 4 is defining our top N. Now you'll see 2 boxes. In the first box, you'll type the number you want to see. So let's type 3 to see our top 3 products. Step 5, tell it by what value. In the second box, you need to tell Power BI what value you're using to determine the top. In our case, we're looking for the top products by profit. So I'm just going to drag in our profit field to the data pane and drop it in this box. Now simply click Apply Filter. And just like that, you have a new table, the one that shows only your top 3 products by profit. It's really that simple. Why is this so important? Remember that when you're building a report, you're not just showing numbers, you're trying to tell a story. This tiny little trick instantly gives your audience context. Instead of them seeing a giant list of numbers and feeling a little bit lost, they immediately know these are our best performing products. This helps your report tell a clear and concise story. And it's worth remembering that the top N is dynamic and will work with any of the slicers on the page. I know that the top N feature is going to make such a difference to your reporting. Every week I share videos on how to level up your Power BI or your data and reporting within your business. I also create guides and offer services. For example, below I've linked my absolutely free guide for some of the mindset shifts that are needed to go from Excel to Power BI. Check it out.